I just wanted to give you a brief update on a theft case, burglary case, which happened recently in Namnang area in the house of Mr. Neeraj Kumar Agarwal, wherein about 10 lakh rupees cash was stolen and a gold jewelry of 2 bangles, some silver coins, silver plate, silver glass was stolen. This happened on 23rd of this month, 3 days back, between 12 and 3 p.m. in the afternoon. So a report came to us by 4 o'clock. So immediately Sadar PS team went to the crime scene and they have examined. And in the night, again a team from the uh, crime also went to the scene and they have examined the crime scene. Usmache, what we found was there is a typical modus operandi used by the people. So the way they have broken the locker and the way they have broken the lock of the door. So that's cannot be done by normal people. You need a bit of expertise, and technical expertise to use a heavy weapon and all. So typical modus operandi. So we narrowed down on one couple of suspects, habitual offenders who have done such kind of burglary before. So, and we took the location and call details, CDR, and we found that that person was present in the afternoon in Lal Bazar, and by evening that person reached Siliguri. So we were pretty much sure that perhaps this is a person, and we sent a team immediately the next day to Siliguri, and based on the location, so we tried to reach, but immediately we couldn't reach. It's a big area, so we took the help of Bengal police, and finally with the help of Bengal police, so today in the afternoon the Sadar PS team led by Sub Inspector Shida managed to catch initially one person and then the other person. So basically there are two guys involved. I can't disclose the names at this point of time because we have arrested in the afternoon. Some legal formalities are still to be completed, and we have recovered some cash, not all the cash, and we have recovered gold also, the bangles that were stolen, and we have recovered the silver coins that were stolen, and also the bag in which the money was kept. And we are still to recover the weapon that they have used to commit the crime. And so cash, we still don't have idea how much the cash that our guys have recovered, but yes, these are the guys who have done this crime, and hopefully many of the theft cases which happened in the last few days, I think might be linked to the same gang. So we are exploring that angle as well. So hopefully we should be able to crack some of the other theft cases that happened in the last 1 week or so. Thank you. There are different gangs involved. एउटा बीचमा ट्रान्सफर्मर चोरी पनि भएको छ, इलेक्ट्रिकल वायरहरू ट्रान्सफर्मर काटेर त्यो पनि देयर इज अ सेपरेट स्पेशलाइज्ड ग्याङ who switch off the transformer and take out the copper wires and all involved. That's and yeah, not only Bulbule, I think there are 3 cases which happened in a span of very short span of 2-3 weeks long back. So what I'm trying to say is there are multiple gangs. So it's not just one gang, but the gang which we have caught is one of the most notorious gang, and they have done this sort of crime multiple times, and there are multiple cases registered against these guys. So I can say this is the gang which has been doing big crimes, burglary in a very like movie sort of way they are doing. So there are some snatching happening also, minor crimes. So as far as burglary is concerned, there's the big gang, and there are other gangs also operating. And but I would like to say one thing: the number of burglary cases or theft cases, there are only in the last 1 week in the Sadar jurisdiction, we have recorded I think 3 or 4 burglary cases. But before that, there was no burglary case for almost 2 months. And I think since these cases happened back to back, it appears that there is an increase in cases, but if you take the overall numbers in the year, the number of theft or burglary cases are less. So for this year,
Success rate of the
yeah,
yes, many cases of theft have been reporting in the last 1 year. More than 200, I think.
theft cases. I'm sorry, I'm afraid. होइन
तर
यस्तो होइन.
एउटा complaint case.
We generally register all the theft cases and
Even I am also victim. Tadam police play. FIR लिएको छैन, DD लिएको छ सर. I am also a victim हो.
so then you should bring it to the notice of higher authorities. So generally we ensure that at SP level मा चाहिँ जो पनि complaint आउँछ यस्तो खालको म ensure गर्छु they are registered and properly investigated. अगर यस्तो छ भने generally sometimes अगर cases register भएको छैन भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ थानामा त्यो complaint यहाँ पनि आउँछ. So I request the victims अगर यस्तो केही complaints छ भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ directly they can report to SP office also.
सर जुन एउटा गुम्पाको चोरी केस पनि एउटा भएको केस छ त्यसको योसँग के युज छ सर नि
I think this is a different one because yo gang che after this chori they left to Siliguri immediately. Fir this happened I think after almost 24 hours after this. So so we don't suspect this gang behind this one. This gang doesn't generally go to gumpas and temples. It's okay. So yo ramro sanga reki garera, they do it in a very planned manner like you see in movies. घरमा यो फ्यामिलीको बिजनेसहरू त्यो हेरेर यसको घरमा हुन्छ भनेर एउटा आइडिया पनि हुन्छ अनि उहाँको आइडिया हुन्छ दे डु प्रपर स्टडी जस्तो गरेर चाहिँ वान फाइन डे यसमा पनि हेर्नुहोस् त सो नर्मली यो घरमा चाहिँ 3 जना बस्छ सो one son, father and mother. Son and father चाहिँ यो लुगा दुकानमा बस्छ डे टाइममा अनि मदर चाहिँ हमेशा घरमै बस्नुहुन्छ. सो त्यो दिन चाहिँ for 3 hours she went to a funeral. अलिक नेबर हार्डली आई थिंक 50 meters त्यो एकदमै कन्जेस्टेड एरिया त्यो टाइममा यो भयो. सो बाई शी वेन्ट शी लक दी हर हाउस 12 बजे एन्ड शी रिटर्न बाई 3 o'clock 3 घण्टा. In between that this happened. When she returned, she found the door open. So the way they have studied, right? So when the old lady went out, then they attacked this